Hi guys, here is your Asif again. Here in this video I am going to show the new OTA update released for the mobile Gionee Elife E3, which is the third OTA update released in the month May 2014. The size of the update which is given here is 89.4 MB of size, which is a bit more than the previous update. And here comes the summary of the update. So this update again comes with some of the upgrades to the apps which are already installed in the mobile phone, which is given like in the previous update. But with that, it has also given the new features like shift key for Gionee and movie studio for editing the videos, which is a video editing software, and added a new DU speed booster app which is used to speed up the phone. But again guys, we have a little disappointment that this mobile doesn't got its KitKat update. Anyways, this is the update guys. So I have actually downloaded this update, and which is an 89.41 MB, and I am upgrading this phone. So before that, it is showing to backup. So backup is completed. Now it is asking for restart to continue the upgrade. So I am clicking on the upgrade. So it is saying as shutting down. It is showing as installing system update, and it is showing the process bar up there as it is processing the update. So here update has installed and the phone has restarted. It's showing its brand name Gionee smartphone. So it is showing as 100 is upgrading as it finishing the boot. This is the phone after the restart. So I am unlocking this. This is the upgraded mobile phone. So we need to check the system update again. So here we come with the system update. So as we can see, the last update time is 1:15 PM. The model is E3 and Gionee system version is GN 4.2A, and the release date is 5/5/2014. I am pressing the checking new version. There is the latest version already as it is showing. So guys, let's discuss with the features in the update one by one. So the first update is new interface design for the Amigo paper. So here is the Amigo paper. So here comes the new interface. So as I already said in the previous update, this is the Amigo paper is the application where we can download the HD wallpapers. So here we can browse wallpapers accordingly, and it is showing as loading. And here we can browse the wallpapers like categories, even like scenery, beauty, animal, cars, etc, etc. I am pressing this movie category, right? So I am selecting this one, HD wallpaper. Now we need to press this button. I don't think it has much been changed. So guys, coming to the second feature, update game zone with a new UI interface design. So let's check with that. So here's the menu, and here is the game zone application. Pressing the game zone button, application. So there is a new interface which is given, and it is showing as checking in and get into this loading. So there is the new updated game zone. So here we can browse the games as we like. So here the next set of feature is added a new set of theme. So let's check with the theme. So here is the menu. So here in the change we can select the theme. So the themes are loading, and it is showing the current theme and that crystal you enjoy colorful over the rainbow. This is the past themes which I have seen, and the summer previous theme which is which is given in the last update is the youth moment, and here the new theme which is given in this update is the summer obsession. So here how the main wallpaper looks like, the summer obsession, and this is the lock screen wallpaper, and this is how the menu will appear. and this is the menu icons, and this is the normal call dialer keypad, and here the messaging is also a normal one. So here we need to press the apply button in order to access the theme. So here is the theme. Coming to next feature, added new Swift key input method for better and more convenient input. So let's check with this input method. So here I am going for messaging app. So here in this I am creating a new message. In that it is the default input method which we are seeing here, and when we press the globe button we have a list of input methods. So in that we need to set up. Here it has showing the Swift key for Gionee. It is a new input method which is given by Gionee mobile phone in this update. So I am checking that. So I am pressing OK. So here again I am creating a message. So this is the default input method type. In order to select that Gionee Swift key for Gionee, you need to select that one. So here's the new interface, new input method which is given, and it look like very quite beautiful, and the letters are even more broader. So this is the input keyboard which is known as Swift key for Gionee. It is given in the update how it looks like, and it is more beautiful than the ordinary QWERTY keypad, and it has given the letters so bold, and there is a suggestion in the top of the input keyboard, and here if you press this button, so here is the Swift key menu which was given by Swift key input method. So here you can have a full keyboard or thumb type keyboard like this, or we can have a compact keyboard like this one, so where we can shift this one to right or left. And when we undock, so here in an option in the Swift key to undock, so this is the option where we can drag the input keyboard wherever you want in the screen and type the letters. So as we can see the typing of the letters, and here there is the thumb place where we can drag the keyboard, and here, and if we drag this to the downwards, then it automatically fits into the keyboard place. And here some of the menu like resizing, and here we have themes. So in this we can select the color of the keyboard even, we have different colors like ice, pitch, dusk, regal, berry, sky, fuchsia, polo, dark forest, etc, etc. So for example, if you select a berry color, now we can check the color of the keyboard in this. So let's check with this. See, this is the color, it has been changed. See, this is the color, and it is very nice in the looks. It looks different keyboard where we can enjoy typing. So this is about the keyboard, Swift keyboard, and here in the settings we can have actually this keyboard, Swift keyboard is used for maintaining the backups, whatever we type the data like password, messages, etc. we can personalize, and we can store in the Swift key cloud. And we have the language which we want to include in the keyboard. Like in the default keyboard we have a globe button where we can select different languages like Hindi, Telugu, etc, etc. Where in this Swift key it has also given its own language packages like English, Hindi, and Hindi is I have downloaded in Hindi, and here the rest of the languages which is providing by the Swift key, where we can download if we want to go with that languages. And here in the next sound and vibration settings, it has its own unique sound and vibration settings, input methods, and advanced text corrections and other settings. It is mainly designed for the Gionee mobiles, and its typing also makes very elegant. So here the letters are in broad. It is about the Swift keyboard for feature among the update is added a new DU speed booster for faster operations. So let's check with the DU booster. So here is the menu, and here the DU speed booster. I am selecting that one. It is opening app. So here is the app which is like C cleaner we have in the Play Store, which uses for accelerating the device, and we can clean the cache, or we can clean the trash, and we have a app manager inbuilt in itself, and a game booster is also, which is a new one, and we can have a direct detect now, where we can optimize the apps which are using the CPU. And here if you select the menu, here we have introduction. In the introduction part, it gives all the information about the app. So it has a game booster, amazing game experience, speeding up the game experience, and here one key click to increase your phone speed. And here we can have trash cleaner, where it cleans the cache, APKs and unwanted files. And here we have an app manager, so where we can move the application which are installed in the phone to the memory card or the SD card. So this is a great app. Coming to the next feature which is installed in this update is added a Facebook contact synchronization feature. So which is a good feature, and I think it's not a good feature because the contacts which we have will be in a sorted order, whereas these Facebook contacts will also merge in that context, where we can have a confusion in that. And coming to the next feature that is added in this is added a movie studio for video editing feature. So let's check with movie editor. So here is the movie studio. I am pressing that. So it has a very ordinary interface that doesn't have any menu icons or menu. Here it is suggesting that creating a new project. After that we need to name that project. So here it is the interface after creating so here it has given a play, forward, backward options, and with a plus button here. I think here with the plus button we need to add some of the videos from our gallery, and we may edit as per our requirement. So here is the play button.
Hello everyone,
so it is playing the video, and if we want to edit the video where we want to, we can drag and drop this limit meters. So here we have time seconds, so which we can edit as per our requirement. So this is the movie editor app, and this is the app, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video again, and this is signing off, Asif. So hope you like this video. Thank you.